Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel The Amazing Facts and Mysterious Stories. Today's we are give you amazing unknown facts about Mr. Albert Einstein, sir. So let's start. No one knows what happened to his first daughter. In 1896, Einstein renounced his German citizenship and enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich. There, he began a passionate love affair with Mylva Marek, a fellow physicist in training originally from Serbia. The couple later married and had 2 sons after graduating, but a year before they tied the knot, Marek gave birth to an illegitimate daughter named D.J.A.L. Einstein never spoke about the child to his family, and biographers weren't even aware of her existence until examining his private papers in the late 1980s. Her fate remains a mystery to this day. Some scholars think D.J.A.L died from scarlet fever in 1903. While others believe she survived the sickness and was given up for adoption in Marek's native Serbia. It took Einstein 9 years to get a job in academia. Einstein showed flashes of brilliance during his years at the Zurich Polytechnic, but his rebellious personality and penchant for skipping classes saw his professors give him less than glowing recommendations upon his graduation in 1900. The young physicist later spent 2 years searching for an academic position before settling for a gig at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. Though menial, the job turned out to be a perfect fit for Einstein, who found he could breeze through his office duties in a few hours and spend the rest of the day writing and conducting research. In 1905, often called his miracle year, the lowly clerk published 4 revolutionary articles that introduced his famous equation E=mc2 and the theory of special relativity. While the discoveries marked Einstein's entrance onto the physics world stage, he didn't win a full professorship until 1909, nearly a decade after he had. He offered his wife his Nobel Prize as part of their divorce settlement. After his marriage to Mylva Marek hit the rocks in the early 1910s, Einstein left his family, moved to Berlin and started a new relationship with his cousin, Elsa. He and Marek finally divorced several years later in 1919. As part of their separation agreement, Einstein promised her an annual stipend plus whatever money he might receive from the Nobel Prize, which he was supremely confident he would eventually win. Marek agreed, and Einstein later handed over a small fortune upon receiving the award in 1922 for his work on the photoelectric effect. By then, he had already remarried to Elsa, who remained his wife until her death in 1936. A solar eclipse helped make Einstein world famous. Photograph of the May 1919 solar eclipse. A solar eclipse helped make Einstein world famous. In 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity, which stated that gravitational fields cause distortions in the fabric of space and time. Because it was such a bold rewriting of the laws of physics, the theory remained controversial until May 1919, when a total solar eclipse provided the proper conditions to test its claim that a supermassive object, in this case the Sun, would cause a measurable curve in the starlight passing by it. Hoping to prove Einstein's theory once and Einstein urged the building of the atomic bomb, and later became a proponent of nuclear disarmament. Credit, Altstein built via Getty Images. In the late 1930s, Einstein learned that new research had put German scientists on a path toward creating the atom bomb. The prospect of a doomsday weapon in the hands of the Nazis convinced him to set aside his pacifist principles and team up with Hungarian physicist Leo Szilard, who helped him write a letter urging President Franklin D. Roosevelt to conduct atomic. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our YouTube channel if you want first notification of our latest video, so please press on bell icon. And if you like our video, so please like and also share our video.